how to summarize YouTube videos with Magic School AI. In order to do that, just head over and click on this switch right here and search in here for YouTube videos. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this YouTube video summarizer. Head over and click on this right here. And then from in there, just put in here the length of summary. Like for example, let's put in here 2 paragraphs. And then just put in here the video URL. So I'll head over and add this video from Amoeba Sisters. Click on this generate right here. And then once you have done that, it will actually put in here 2 paragraphs upon your request that will actually explain the whole video itself. You can see this right here, the mitosis and the consistency of this one. You can head over and copy and export it. You can also try to translate or add some questions for this one, change the length, summarize, or customize it according to your liking. So from in there, you can also click on more and then save this resource for your next thing. So that's how you summarize YouTube videos with Magic School AI. Hope we helped.